Downloaded a translation dictionary for Lingoes and got an LG2 file. This is a dictionary data file used by the popular free translation app. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and using these Lingoes dictionary files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the LG2 file. I'll reveal it at the end. An LG2 file is a compressed dictionary or glossary file used by Lingoes, a free dictionary and text translation software for Windows. Users download or create these files to add new languages, technical terminologies, or specialized encyclopedias to the application, enabling quick lookups and translations directly from their desktop. The LG2 format is a proprietary compressed container designed to store vast amounts of lexical data, including words, definitions, and phonetic information, in an index structure. This binary design allows for rapid, on-the-fly searching and retrieval by the Lingoes application, minimizing file size and memory usage. For comprehensive file management, LG2 relies on Lingoes developed by Kevin Yao, Lex. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows may identify the file, but understanding its content requires the program that uses the data. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the LG2 file and select Open With. If Lingoes is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your LG2 file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, installing in Lingoes. Download and install Lingoes from the official website. Launch the application and use the Add Dictionary or Import function to load the LG2 file. Lingoes integrates the dictionary into its lookup interface where you can search words and view translations alongside other installed dictionaries. Next, placing in Dictionaries folder. Manually copy the LG2 file to the Lingoes Dictionaries folder, typically located in the Lingoes installation directory under the Dict subfolder. Restart Lingoes and the application automatically detects the new dictionary, making it available in the Dictionary Management panel for activation and use. Finally, downloading from Lingoes library. Visit the Lingoes website's dictionary library to browse and download official LG2 dictionaries for various language pairs and topics. Use the in-app Dictionary Manager to download and install dictionaries directly from within Lingoes for the simplest installation experience without manual file handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.